Hello everyone, welcome back again to English Grammar Course for Beginners with me, Caroline. In the last class, we looked at something very important, and that is personal pronouns. If you have not watched personal pronouns, please go and watch. Why? Because they are very important in English. Today we are going to look at what I call small words. Why do I call them small words? Because they are just one or two letters, and these are articles. In English, we call them articles, and we have 3 articles. Now, what is an article? An article is a word that we use before a noun. Remember, a noun is a name of a place, a person, or a thing. For example, we don't say dog. We say a dog, a class, a cat. So a is our article here. We have 3 different types of articles. We have a, an, and the. Now, let's look at these articles in details. Okay, let's start with the article a. We pronounce it a, but we write the letter a. We pronounce a because this article always comes before a consonant sound. We use this article with things that we can count and just one thing, or one person, or one place. Let's have some example sentences. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. This is a cat. Now, let's see the article an. We use the article an to talk about words that we can count and start with vowel sounds. So the vowel sounds are sounds a, e, o, u. So if we can count a word and it starts with a vowel sound and it's one word, we use an. Let's see some example sentences. Apple. This is an apple. Egg. This is an egg. Let's talk about the. We use the with singular and plural. I mean one thing or more than one. But we use it with specific things. For example, sun. We only have one sun, so we all know sun. So we say the sun. Number 2, world. We have one world, so we can say the world is beautiful. Now, let's look at common mistakes that people always make when using articles. Let's see some examples. 1. I want an apple. Apple starts with a, so we need to use an. I want an apple. Example number 2, I want house. In this example, there is no article. We need an article. So, I want a house. The last example, I like a sun. Sun is just one in the world, so we need the article the. I like the sun. Now, it is your turn to do some practice. I'm gonna give you some time to guess the correct answers. Let's go. 1. I eat banana. Guess the answer. That's right. I eat a banana. Why do we use the article a? Because banana starts with a consonant sound b. So, a banana. Number 2. This is elephant. Guess the answer. You got it right. This is an elephant. Why do we use the article an? This is because elephant starts with the sound eh, a vowel sound. So we need to use an elephant. The last one, world is beautiful. Guess the answer. That's right, the world is beautiful. Why do we use the article the? Because world is just one. So we need the article the because it is just one. Well done, everybody. Today we've covered articles, and I hope you've learned a lot from today's lesson. If you haven't mastered everything, don't worry. Watch the video over and over again. You can also download the PDF document if you want to read more. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing, and very soon you'll be a very good speaker of English. In our next lesson, we will cover what we call nouns. So why not join us again in the next lesson to learn more? See you in the next lesson, and goodbye.